Hi, I'm Shamla, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, Chennai. In this video, we are going to discuss few topics in software engineering. Topics covered in this video is software requirement specification, software requirement definition, introduction. The analysis phase of software development involves project planning and software requirement definitions. The software requirement specification records the outcome of the software requirement definition activity. SRS is a technical specification of requirements for the software products. The SRS is based on the system definition. The requirement specification will state that what of the software product without implying how. Format of a software requirement specification. Section 1. Product overview and summary. Section 2. Development, operating and maintenance environments. Section 3. External interfaces and data flow. Section 4. Functional requirements. Section 5. Performance requirements. Section 6. Exception handling. Section 7. Yearly subsets and implementation priorities. Section 8. Foreseeable modifications and enhancements. Section 9. Acceptance criteria. Section 10. Design hints and guidelines. Section 11. Cross-reference index. Section 12. Glossary of terms. Section 1 and 2 present an overview of product features and the processing environments. Section 3 includes user displays, report formats, data flow diagrams, data dictionary, data flow diagrams specify, data sources, data stores, transformations to be performed on the data, flow of data, data stores. Data store is a conceptual data structure that is logical characteristics of data or given importance on a data flow diagrams. Data stores and data sinks are depicted by shaded rectangles. Transformations by ordinary rectangles. Data stores by open-ended rectangles. The arcs specify the data flow. Data flow diagrams are not concerned with decision, structure or algorithmic details like flowchart. A data dictionary entries include the name of the data items and its attributes. Section 4 of a SRS specifies the functional requirements for a software product. It specifies a relationship among inputs, actions and outputs. Section 5 specifies the performance requirements such as response time for various activities, processing time for various processes and memory constraints. Section 6 specifies the exception handling. It includes actions to be taken and the messages to be displayed in response to undesired situations or events. Possible exceptions include temporary resource failure, permanent resource failure, incorrect, inconsistent, out of range input data and parameters. Section 7 specifies yearly subset and implementation priorities for the system under development. Section 8 specifies the modification and enhancement. Section 9 specifies the acceptance criteria, that is various tests. Section 10 contains design hints and guidelines. Section 11 specifies cross-reference index. A cross-reference directory should be provided to index to find the specific paragraph number in SRS. Section 12 provides definition of terms that are unfamiliar to the customers and the product developers. Desirable properties. A requirement document should be correct, complete, consistent, unambiguous, functional, verifiable, easily changed. An incorrect and incomplete set of requirements can result in a software product that satisfies its requirements but does not satisfy customers' needs. Software requirements should be functional in nature, that is, they should describe what is required without implying how the system will meet its requirements. Changes will occur and project success often depends on the ability to incorporate change without starting over. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.